Hey everyone. I recently found this new alternative to Calendly, Acuity, the Zoom scheduler. So I wanted to share it with other yoga teachers, personal trainers, pretty much anyone that needs to book one-on-one appointments and wants to also accept payments because the Google one that's free for Google Calendars also you have to pay to accept payments. So this one is free and you can accept payments for free using Stripe. Um, and I believe some other payment platforms, but that's the one I use. So anyway, let's get into it. So you're gonna, of course, make an account, again, free, which is why I'm using it and why I wanted to share it. The other cool thing is you can make many different event types. So I'm using this right now for my private yoga classes. So if you visit my website, which I really need to do a video on how to have a free website, or mostly free, freer than WordPress and Wix. But yeah, so I'm using it for these private classes so that people can book private classes and then also pay for the private class. So this is a group class for 1 to 5 people, a private group class. So after they verify their email, whatever email they put here, they'll be able to pay in Stripe right away. And the cool thing is, if they verify their email and move on to the payment screen, it'll still show me in the bookings that somebody booked it but hasn't paid. So I can reach out to them and, see why they didn't follow through on paying. It'll also show up in Stripe, even just at this stage. So that's pretty cool. Kind of helpful to see empty carts. But anyway, let's go back. So the other cool thing, again, that's free and you don't have to be on a paid plan for is I have 2 different availability calendars, except this one I'm not really using right now. I'm still trying to figure out how to set up, how to use this to book my group, like public group yoga events, not the private ones, but I have a yoga class every Friday and every Sunday. So I haven't quite figured out how to set that up yet and allow multiple people to book for the same time slot yet. Still working on that. But it works great for the private, and so I set separate availability for the private. So there's tons of apps that you can integrate into it. Again, for the most part free, but a lot of these apps are paid. There's also workflows, so there is a limit on the workflows. There's only so much you can do with the free plan. Like you can't set a custom message. Basically, you can ask people to rate or remind them. But you can integrate it with, sorry, I'm kind of clicking around all over the place. They have their own like video-based conferencing platform, which I might try as an alternative to Zoom. I haven't really looked into it yet because I've already paid for a Zoom annual plan. But when that gets close to expiring, we're definitely going to check this out, especially if it's free. I'm not sure if it is free yet, so I'm not going to make a claim on the video. But you can integrate it with Zoom for free, so it'll automatically send out the Zoom links for those private yoga classes after they're booked, which is awesome. So anyway, oh, and then there's also, you have like a public page, which could be helpful if you are somebody that doesn't really have a website and you just want to give people one spot where they can find all of your services. So anyway, I don't want to take up too much of your time because I'm a big fan of exploration, and I feel like in order to learn how to use new things, it's really important that you go and explore. So, but anyway, hopefully you check this out as an alternative to all of the many paid scheduling ones. Again, Acuity, Google Calendars, Zoom's scheduler, Calendly, um, and I'll let you know how it goes using it. But so far, so good. If you had any bad experiences using it, please let me know in the comments because, again, I just found this, just started using it. So if my feelings change, I will post an update. But so far, I think it's pretty awesome alternative to all of the paid tools since I'm a small micro business.